Here's a quick way to create a 2D cake topper using your Cricut machine. Go on to Cricut Design Space, start a new project, type in your text. In this case, I've typed Happy Birthday, Honey. The font that I've used is called Ubertas, which I've found on Creative Fabrica. I would link it below. Once you've typed in all your text, ungroup it to make sure as much of it is touching each other as possible. The key to a 2D cake topper is to make sure as much of the text is touching as possible so that it all cuts out as one. Now, I've gone to my shapes, selected a star because I want to use a star outline to join the bits of the text that is not touching. So I've used the offset to make a bigger star. I've changed the color of the bigger star, put it behind the smaller star, aligned and grouped it together, and then sliced it. I'm going to delete the bits that I don't need and just use the outline to join the two Y's in birthday and honey together. So once I'm happy with the position of it, I select them all and group it so that I can move it around. Go to my offset and then select an offset of 0.06. After making many, many cake toppers, I found that that is the perfect consistency, especially for this font. Now, if you're using another font or a thinner font, you can obviously go and increase or decrease your offset, but that works better for me. So once it's all offset, I delete the original one and then go to my shapes again, select square or rectangle, make it thin, and then use it to join the dot on the eye together. And then I combine and weld it. And there you have it, your 2D cake